Hello, I'm joined today by Anthony Hu, President of Strategy and Marketing, Electric Power Digitalisation Business Unit of the Huawei Enterprise Business Group. And we're going to talk about some of the activities of the group that is involved in. I'd like to start by asking, it's been almost a year since the Huawei Electric Power Digitalisation Business Unit was established. And could you please share what the unit has been done and achieved so far?
Actually, Huawei just established the electric power digitalization BU, follow the concept from Google. Actually, this is a brand new organization to organize with PhDs, scientists, the sales, and also the partners together to provide actually the best service and also products, especially for our global clients. And also, actually, from Huawei, now we are just built a brand new, actually, strategy model. We call that T-Cube with three major dimensions, because now, the world is experiencing a very big change and the challenges, especially for energy crisis and also the carbon neutrality targets for different countries. Just to summarize the three major actually trends for the globe, for the world. The first thing is energy transition. So now the new energy like solar and wind is developing quite fast in different countries, because this is the trend not only for the energy but also for the carbon emission reduction. You can see actually more and more solar, actually, which we use that from the sunlight is quite random and also unstable compared with the traditional fossil energy like coal and gas. For the power grid, it's a very big challenge for us that to better use and the highly efficiency with the highly efficiency to better integration with this kind of solar and wind. From the south side, you can see actually more and more solar is developed, and also the power grid is hard to use that kind of electricity. And for the consumption side, you can see more and more electric vehicles, and also the distributed energy resources like roof solar is used by millions of families. So this also brought us very big problems with the stable and the security of the electricity supply. So from Huawei now, we are providing our solution to improve the efficiency and also the responsibility and security from the source and the transmission, and also transformation, distribution, and consumption for the power grid. And the second dimension is the digital transformation. This is a very hot word by now, and you can see now the digital technology is changing the world very hugely, and also Huawei now is using advanced actually technologies like AI, big data, and cloud computing, 5G, deeply integrated with traditional energy technologies, and to provide a better service and solution to improve the operational efficiency and the security of the power grid, and also to innovate it with the value-added service like telecommunication operation with the broadband. And also from Huawei, we are also cooperating with the global partners in different countries with our clients, and also with several new solutions like intelligent power plants, and also the transmission line with AI cameras and digital substations, and also with the IoT for distribution, and also the most important one is the intelligent net zero campus. So from my side, actually, we are now using our digital technologies to support the future energy transition for the society, and also to support the net zero transformation for human beings and society for all industries. This is our vision and target.
As you mentioned, the Intelligent Net Zero Carbon Campus solution and the WSIS prize, could you talk a little more in detail about the solution and highlight some of its features of the project?
Sure, Jonathan. Last June, actually, I just got the champion prize at WSIS 2022 in Switzerland. This is the global award from the ITU and the UN. And the last December, I'm quite happy to have another award awarded from the Paulson funding. So we have a joint project with the state grid Yancheng city, and also got the top 10 global projects for the Paulson Prize. And also by focusing on the three scenarios of smart energy management, carbon management, and also campus management. So in this project, we are integrating digital technologies with our energy technologies, not only to implement 100% of smart terminals with fully electricity supply, and also to increase the clean energy supply to 85%, and also to reduce the carbon emission, especially in the campus, by more than 40%. So this project is not only a pilot for the net zero transmission and also for energy transition, like I mentioned above, but also this is the future solution for our clients globally.
And could you please outline in a little more detail the capabilities of the business unit and what the focus is in the coming year?
Actually, for the 2023, actually, our BU is gonna to, the first thing is gonna to focus on our strategy to provide more value together with our global partners, especially for our clients in electric power industry. The first thing is we are also working on the Spark architecture, deeply integrated the digital technologies with electric power technologies, and also focus on helping customers to achieve the targets of the safety, reliability, resilience, efficiency, and low carbon in the future. And also we are developing the ecosystem with partners in different countries, and also work together to create more value, especially for the industry, and also to support the carbon neutrality target for different countries. And especially mentioning the, how to say, the benefits we are going to provide to our customers. The first thing is, as I mentioned, now the new energy brought a lot of challenges, especially for our power grid. So the safety and the reliability is always the first priority for our clients. So we are going to provide especially the power communication network and the power ransomware protection solution to help our client to improve their security and the reliability, not only for their grid, but also for their service and operational systems. And the second one is for the efficiency and the benefits, especially for the situation of the pandemic and the future. We can see now in the power grid in the future, especially in the substations and for transmission inspection, more and more robots and the drones are widely used for the future inspection. So now Huawei is also developing and providing the solution to integrate the robots and the cameras and AI technologies with our fiber network to provide the the solution in Saudi Arabia with less people on site. And the third one for our benefit providing is the green and the low carbon. Just as I said, in Yancheng City, we cooperate with State Grid of China for the intelligent net zero carbon campus. Actually, we already increased the new energy percentage by to 85% and to obviously reduce the carbon emission in campus. So in the future, all our solutions will support the target for the not only the energy efficiency improvements and also the carbon emission reduction to achieve the targets of carbon neutrality.
Turning to Europe in particular, and in the light of the 50% greenhouse gas reduction target for 2030 and the 2050 net zero target, what's Huawei's role in this when it comes to innovation with green and sustainable solutions?
Okay, so actually Europe Union is the pioneer for the green and low carbon development in the world. So from strategy, Huawei is already built the T-Cube strategy model based on energy transition, carbon new zero carbon transformation and the digital transformation. So we are going to continually cooperate with our power clients and global partners to promote the low carbon and green sustainable development for the whole society, especially in Europe Union, because we already have the Green Deal to integrate the investment and also strategy with government and all the industries in EU. And Huawei will closely cooperate with the governments and also the electric power clients and the partners to create more value for the future, especially to achieve the targets of green development and also the digital transformation in EU countries. And for solution side, we already have several solutions. And also in this year, we are going to develop 4 new solutions in terms of green and sustainable development. And also we are going to cooperate with European clients in intelligent inspection, charging pile networks and green data centers to help them achieve low carbon and green development targets. And also we continually invest in the global markets and also to participate the marketing events, especially in Europe. Last year, we joined in the SIGGRID, the most important power grid international conference in Paris. And also we held the Greece Power Summit in November last year. So together, we are going to explore the future development trends on the industry and pursue common goals, contributing to green and low carbon development in the future.
And Huawei's electric power digitalization business units will be attending the MWC in February. Could you perhaps please preview some highlights?
Okay, so MWC is the largest actually event, especially for telecommunication. So for Huawei, this is the most important event for us. And also for our BU, we are going to introduce the latest strategic plan for the future. And also for our capability plan with new solutions and the partner strategy for overseas markets. And also we are going to present 4 new solutions in this year, especially on MWC 2023. And also in addition to the exhibition booth, we'll set up a joint showcase and workshop with our clients and global partners, and also going to submit all optical networks to exhibit all scenarios of electric power industries. And also we invited several high executives from our clients and partners, and also we are going to have a more discussion to find the solution how we are going to face the challenges like the new allergy, like the pandemic, and also how we are going to create more value, especially for the society to achieve the targets of carbon neutrality and the energy transition, especially under the background of the last 2 years. And also, as everybody knew, now the energy crisis is also the very hot topics. So we are also going to discuss how we are going to use the digital technologies to improve the security and the reliability, especially for the power grid in the future.
Okay, well, we look forward to following those developments in the future. So thank you very much for joining us, Anthony.
Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you for your time.